morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be making breakfast.
I am a healthy journey in my life.
I'm starting to eat a little better and watching what I put in my body, which is kind of like the same thing, right? So I'm going to be making protein pancakes with eggs and fruit on the side. So I'm just going to take you along with me and show you how I make my protein pancakes. Pancake that always come out really bad, so yeah, I'm gonna have to like give myself a pat on the back just because it came out in like a nice consistency of a pancake. But like I said, the first pancake always come out pretty crazy. And I just want to put a disclaimer down there that I've never did this recipe before. This is my first time, and I'm brave enough to record it and put it on my channel. But it is coming out, I want to say, at least decent. And I tasted it, and it tastes kind of like cake. And it tastes like the protein powder, which I adore. I just got it yesterday, and it tastes so good. So I'm just gonna keep making these pancakes, and we'll see how they turn out at the end. So this is how it's coming out. So these pancakes came out a little darker than I expected, but the rest are looking pretty good. And here right now, which should be ready. I got it with one hand. Look at me go.
And you don't.
seasoning. I cut a 3/4 of the cream cheese and I added a little bit of molasses just to add that flavor, and I mixed it until it's like salty. And that was your icing on top of your pancake. You don't have to make it. And then I just added regular sprinkles, and that's it, guys. Perfect. I actually say I can give it a 9 out of 10 just because I felt like the pancakes could be a little bit bigger, but the consistency, I just made it smaller because I made it for my daughters. Also, it wasn't just me eating all those pancakes. I'm just saying. Okay, they came out good. I can't lie, they came out really good. They taste really good. My kids even said it tastes really good, so that's how you know it came out good. And now I'm making my eggs, and I'm about to sit down and drink my coffee and get ready for the rest of the day so I can make more content for you. I'll see you guys next time. And you see all that junk in the back? There's always junk in this kitchen. Like, it's never non-stop junk in this kitchen. Like, especially when, see what I mean? It's just never non-stop with me. Oh, yeah. So it's time for me to go, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. I'm gonna say bye.